During French President Emmanuel Macron's visit to India as the chief guest on Republic Day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi engaged in discussions that prominently featured the Red Sea conflict. In a press briefing, Indian Foreign Secretary Vinay Quatra highlighted concerning developments in the Red Sea and the disruptions in the maritime domain causing significant issues for commercial shipping. Both leaders focused on this as a matter of serious concern. Additionally, Quatra noted that the discussions between the two leaders extended to the bilateral partnerships between the nations and the ongoing Israel-Hamas war. Various dimensions of the West Asia conflict, including the terror, humanitarian and civil disruption aspects, were thoroughly discussed, with both leaders sharing their perspectives on these critical issues. Highlighting the robust defense cooperation between India and France, Quatra said the two countries have agreed to adopt defense production roadmap. The collaboration will entail identifying opportunities for partnership in the defense industrial sector, emphasizing co-designing, co-development and co-production. The goal is to establish robust defense supply chains between India and France, not only to meet their defense requirements, but also to contribute significantly to security partnerships with other nations seeking similar products. Speaking on the specific agreements achieved during the visit, Quatra provided details. These are the agreements that have been finalized: a roadmap on the India-France Defense Industrial Roadmap, an agreement on defense space partnership, and an MOU between New Space India Limited, NSIL, and Arianespace regarding satellite launches. Additionally, an industrial partnership between Tata and Airbus Helicopters for the production of H-125 helicopters, incorporating a substantial indigenous and localization component. Agreement between Department of Science and Technology, also an agreement between two ministries of health on healthcare cooperation, education, training, and research. In addition, Quatra shared updates on the completion of the Indian consulate in Marseille and the French bureau in Hyderabad. Plans for establishing a solar academy in Senegal under the International Solar Alliance were also discussed. Looking ahead, Quatra mentioned the year 2026 will be celebrated as the India-France Year of Innovation.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.